Have a look at this beautiful view. Mist in the mountains. It's rainy season here. Absolutely beautiful. Mountain views all the way around. Rice fields aplenty. Very, very beautiful. Very quiet out here except for nature and the odd street dog or soy dog, whatever you want to call them. But absolutely beautiful. You can't see the mountains there with that in the way. But absolutely beautiful. Got some workers out here tending to their crops. I've seen a few people collecting frogs because they do eat frogs out this way. Still haven't tried the frog. I may have tried a frog and I haven't known. But very, very good. I went for a ride on one of these before, like a Thai man. He picked me up and he took me for a ride. Very, very nice. But that view out there, absolutely beautiful, guys. Absolutely beautiful. There's some, oh, look at this. There's a drone. Ah. Or is that a helicopter? Oh, I think they're spraying. Actually, I'll see if I can zoom in. Can't get much quality on the iPhone 6s, sadly. But very good. That's actually a pretty ingenious way to spray your crops, actually. Yeah, pretty cool. Modern technology out in rural Thailand. Here comes a van now. But there's a temple just there. I've been to that one. It's just a small one. But there are some nice temples out here I haven't been able to go see as yet because a lot of my foot's still healing. But I've just come for a daily walk. I was thinking about doing a stream here, but I don't know. But really, really beautiful. I want to get into those mountains. Actually, a bit further off there is a nice. Actually, that is that same temple I've been to with that nice structure out there. But really, really beautiful out here. Really peaceful. These rice fields are a bit bigger, but plenty of mountains out there. That direction, that way, that's Laos. This is part of Chiang Rai still, Mae Chan or Mae Chan. I do get confused with the Chang and the Chang, but here's some rice here. Yes, so there's some rice there. It's just on the side of the road. But yeah, I don't know if they're wood planting. I know a little bit about rice, but I'm no expert. But we'll see if we can get some footage of that drone out there. I reckon that's pretty cool. I've never seen that before. I don't know if you guys have seen it before, but very, very interesting. But the mountain views, absolutely stunning, as I keep saying. This is what it's about, guys. Thailand. It's not about bars and girls. It's about this stunning beauty out here. You know, if you come to Thailand, certainly take the time to come out north or south. Absolutely beautiful. You know, we'll see if we can get some. Yeah, look at that. Sorry if the camera's a bit shaking. It hasn't got stability or on it, so very good. But here comes a car. Absolutely beautiful. We'll wrap that up there, guys. If you have enjoyed this view, certainly hit the likes. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. We're going to be making a move, or I may have already made that move by the time you are watching this. Absolutely stunning out here. Really, really beautiful. Rural Thailand. Alright guys,